welcome to our new YouTube channel, which is Tarot Reader Shefali in English. Friends, this is going to be a pick a card reading, a timeless pick a card reading, which we are doing this month. So timeless reading means you can access this reading whenever you feel stuck at any point of time. And this reading is going to be on what is the message for you for the coming time. So we are going to read your messages for the coming time. There will be 4 spreads. You have to select one spread basis your intuition. So what you have to do is close your eyes, focus in the center of your forehead, pray to the universal energy and pick up one set which draws you towards itself and check the cards for you. What is the message for you for the coming time? So without wasting too much of time, we'll quickly jump to the reading. Let's see what's in cards for you. Hi friends, welcome to pick a card reading where we are going to check the message for you. What is the message for you right now? It is a timeless reading. You have to use your intuition to choose the set. I have already drawn 4 spreads for you. All you have to do is focus in the center of your forehead, request to your universal energy, to God, to help you with the intuition to select the right message for you. And you have to open your eyes and select the message. Select the spread that attracts you most towards itself. It could be basis a number or basis the spread. Friends, you don't need to go through the description of each and every spread. You can directly jump to your spread description. I am mentioning the timeline or a timestamp of your spread in the description of this video. So without wasting much time, let's quickly jump to your reading. Let's see what's in set number 1 for you. Hi, set 1 people, let's see what is the message for you right now. So the message is to work with your third eye chakra, that is with your intuition. You basically are seeking some answers, what we can see over here, and you are seeking it externally, but the angels are advising you to seek it within you because you are very much potential to get your own answers, and the angels are on their set to guide you. Angel, by angel I mean angel, universal energy, God, whoever you believe on, they are all set to guide you. Just you need to access them. Until and unless you ask them for answers, they will not be able to help you. So you have to ask them for answers either through dreams or try to read the answers which they are trying to give you, because your third eye is looking quite active during this time currently. So you also need to attain inner peace. So your chakra advice card is suggesting you to attain inner peace, and the best way to attain inner peace is through meditation, because meditation helps you to balance your energies and connect with your inner self, attain peace. When you are at peace, you will be in the position to work on open your third eye chakra and access the information that your wisdom is trying to provide you, that your higher self or energy self is trying to provide you. So once you attain inner peace, you will be able to access the information, the guidance, the direction that your angels or higher self or third eye is trying to give you. See, friends, we all are psychic animals, I would say. Humans are also psychic species. So everybody has certain level of psychic sense. Some people have heightened psychic sense who actually practice tarot and healing otherwise. Other people have a less accessed psychic sense. So I won't say they have less or more, but they haven't accessed it, so they aren't aware about it. So it is the time for you to get aware of your intuition power, of your psychic sense, and try to get the messages or read the messages that your senses are trying to guide you with. Because what I can see over here is the message currently, maybe somewhere you are going through some delays in financial as well as in relationship segment. Certain things, the energy is looking very blocked and very negative. A lot of negative thoughts are cluttering your mind. There was some opportunity maybe at work or some relationship which was at offer, but it didn't sail through. So either it is delayed or it is cancelled due to some reason. It is not happening. Things are not working out, and you are feeling very stuck and imbalanced, ungrounded, in short, because of that. You are too shattered because of that, and you need a solace. You need a direction to head to. You need a ray of hope, because this situation has really suppressed you. It has stressed you to an extent that you are actually caging yourself in the negative thoughts and negative aura, which is not meant to be. So the message for you is you need to show courage. You need to come out of this situation on your own, and universal energy is all set to guide you on that. So the message for you is try to access your inner strength. You are very strong. Try to access it and try to attain inner peace through meditation, through yoga, by speaking to somebody, by mixing with some people who really make you feel good and better and positive. Somehow try to work on your energy level, try to raise your vibration, either with the help of good food, right kind of color, wearing right kind of colors. That will help you better your psychological health, your emotional health, which is right now suffering, as well as your practical health, physical health. So somewhere your energy body is suffering because you are going through a lot of inner mess in relationship, as well as in work front or money front, for that matter, on earthly matters. I'll say on earthly matters. So here you'll have to show the courage to face it, and you will come out as a winner because you have blessings of universal energy. There is universe who is here to guide you. Take the guidance, listen to the messages, understand them, and try to make good out of them, and try to attain inner peace with meditation. Trust me, it really works. So I really hope this message helps you to plan your coming time. Very good luck to all of you. So let's see what's in set number 2 for you. Hi set 2 people, let's see what's in your cards. We'll start with your angel message. That is, what is the message for you from angels? We have base chakra as a message, which says that choose positive thoughts to describe your home, career and finances, as your thoughts determine the outcome. So angels are advising you, God, universal energy is advising you to be positive, to be very positive in thinking and attracting positivity, because only when you think positive will you attract positivity. So be aware of your thoughts is the first message for you. And second message is inner child. Try to keep your inner child alive, because you are it's a very beautiful heart chakra energy which we have got. And here also we have a lover's card, which shows that somewhere your heart chakra is going to be very maybe currently you are already experiencing a lot of love, lot of happiness, and you're innocent. Keep your innocence alive about your relationship, about the partner, about your own self, your own relationship with your own soul, and about the worldly matters. So don't let any negative energy affect you. Maybe you have gone through something negative which is little bothering you somewhere in the corner of your mind, but still your energy right now is not that affected. So it is suggesting, cards are suggesting you to keep hold of your positive energy, positive thought, innocent childlike nature, which will help you attract the childlike and innocent emotions and love from people and society and your partner and your friends and colleagues. So what the cards are trying to tell you is, be aware of your thoughts, be aware of your feelings, be positive to attract positivity. Maybe right now you're already working on some kind of a relationship and you're expecting that relationship to get into a long-term commitment. So I can see it very relationship heavy card somehow, where maybe you're working on a relationship already. If you're married or if you're committed, you're working on it and trying to make it better to the optimum level of love and partnership and happiness where you want to reach. That is a place where you want to reach and you don't want your relation to reach, and you're working very hard on it, and it is going to give you results. So keep that innocent love, that positivity intact, so that you actually get the relationship to a dreamlike relationship which you always wanted or always desired to. For singles who have been seeking for partners, this is a very beautiful card, where it is showing that maybe you are going to work on your relation, making a long-term relationship work for you, and it might lead into sorry, and it might lead into commitment, like marriage, or if you have been planning for a baby. This again, cards are suggesting that you might be blessed with a baby. So inner child can also represent the good news related to the baby coming in your life or family. So overall, it's a very beautiful positive energy. It just says that you need to keep little patience and keep working with all the focus and positivity, and things will shape up for you. So I can see duality here. There is a schizophrenia which we can see. So somewhere some things are still at the back of mind, as I said. Somewhere things are stressing you, but don't let it affect you, your decision making, your action, your thoughts, your psychology, because you are going on the right track. You are positive. Keep that positivity alive and you will reach your goal. Very good luck to all. So let's see what's in set number 3 for you. Hi set 3 people. Let's see what's in cards for you. What is the message for you for right now? We are getting goddess as the message from angels. It is an angel advice card which is advising you to express your divine feminine energy and embrace it as a magical and a nurturing energy. So basically the card is suggesting you to think from emotional perspective, also to think from your intuition, to think through your nurturing qualities, and accordingly address any situation that is coming in your life. That will help you to simplify the process of handling the situation, and it will empower you with the energy of goddess. Inner strength will be high. Your emotional quotient, empathy, what we call it, it is going to be high, and it will help you to ease out the process of managing at any particular task, situation, whether it is relationship, whether it is career, whether it is financial planning. So you will have to think positively, and you will have to use your inner strength, the feminine side, the right brain, the feminine side, the side which actually helps you to think from a intuitive sense, from an analytical sense, from a emotional sense too. So you will have to, if you do that, if that is a message for you, if you do that, you will be able to manage and balance your energies and balance your life in a better fashion. Again, we have got a balance card of chakra advice card from chakra advice card over here, which is suggesting you to balance the male and female energy and work on your female energy too. With the help of that, you will be able to nurture, nourish every relationship or whatever task is coming your way. So whether it is a relationship led task or an event led task or a career or a financial planning led task, even in case of your healthcare, this could be a very good approach, a very good message for you on how you should tackle your health. Take care of your health, take care of your psychology, take care of your health in such a manner that you are pampering yourself like a mother, like a caretaker who is really genuinely interested in your well-being. Okay, so now coming to your situation, what I can see over here is it's a very powerful cards which are showing a feminine energy. It's a very nice cards. We have got very complementing cards, I would say. We have got a power of goddess power over here, and it is very well supported by the energy, the cards over here, the situation that you're going through maybe. So there is a lady of significance in your life. It could be you, your feminine side, or some lady who is in a very strong position in your life. She could be your mother, could be your elder sister, she could be some really genuine friend who is a senior in authority, ideally well connected, well networked, and who wants to take care of you, who wants to support you in all sense, who is the anchor of your life. So this woman is going to be play a very significant role, and take that, be with her, that she will empower you, she will anchor you, she will support you in highlighting that feminine, by giving her feminine qualities, and giving you a sense of balance in your life. Now this could be other person, or it could be you yourself, your side, your inner side, which is your feminine side of your personality, which is empathetic, intuitive, powerful, and positive, and very well connected and networked. So as I'm trying to explain, this feminine energy which is going to give you balance could be either you or somebody external to you who is senior in authority in your life, either your mother, your elder sister, your senior colleague, or your senior friend who is really a well-wisher and trying to guide you. So just take their advice, take their help if at all you feel a need. Slow down in the approach in your life. Try to be connected to yourself. Try to seek advice from your inner self and inner intuition. The guru, whoever you believe on, is with you. Whether it is a humanly guru or it is a universal energy that we are talking of, they are going to help you, guide you on your way ahead. So you are in a very good position, friends. Just take this advice and try to implement to make your life a better place. Okay, a very good luck. Let's see what's in set number 4 for you. Hi set 4 people, let's see what is in cards for you. We will start with your angel message directly. So what is the message for you? We have past life issues as a message which you have got, followed by life purpose. So somewhere whatever problem you are going through life in life right now, it has some it has its seed sown in your past life. Now this could be current life, which this could be some karma from current past life, or it could be some karma from your past life. So basically we do believe that our past life karmas do have a role to play in our current life also, and because of which there are certain sufferings which we go through, as well as certain good things which come our way. So somewhere we have very less control over there, but the message is guiding you. It is telling you that wherever, whatever the problem you are facing right now, there is some issue from the past life which is getting resolved, which is getting healed, and whatever is happening, take it in the right spirit. It is the healing process that you are going through. Even if it, however hard it is a healing process. Accept it with the positive attitude and try to understand the life purpose. So what is the purpose that you have come to this life to achieve? So whatever mistakes you have done in past, you are getting a healing and a correct rectification of that in current life. And what is the life purpose of current life? If you are able to get that, which you generally get when you are aligned to yourself, so try to think beyond the illusion. This is a message which you have got here. So what is it that you are going through right now? I can see some family issues over here. So maybe somewhere your family is looking unsettled. So if you are already married, then this could be there could be a problems in your life with regards to your spouse, with regards to your children, some property issue, or some issue related to your parents, your colleague, or sorry, not colleagues, I would say, your distant cousins and otherwise. So some family property issues could also be there. So basically you are going to face some problem, or maybe you're already facing some problem related to your family. Lack of peace, lack of harmony, conflicts, or distancing or separation could be the issues that might be popping up in your family right now. But there is a knight who is holding a wand in the positive direction. So whatever problems you are going through, you are going to tackle it with a positive attitude, and a lot of positive energy is evident over here. So in this life, though you are going through a lot of problems, the message for you is whatever you have got from past life, you are going to heal it in this life. You are going to get your life purpose set in this life. You will realize it over the period. Though you are going through tough time in your family, you will get some learnings and you will take it in a positive light, and you will try to see beyond the illusion. So whatever is seen may not be always true. There might be a deeper sense to it. So you are going to get an eye to see that deeper sense to any problem or issue, whatever you are facing, and you will consciously try to accept certain mistakes, correct certain mistakes, and do certain gestures or karmas which will make good for you, or which will plan a better future for you. So overall, it's a very positive and a good reading, I would say. Though you are facing some problems, you are going to find a way out of it with the positive vibration, with the positive direction, and seek the guidance from the Almighty in resolving that issue and move ahead. So there is a big learning coming your way, which you're going to learn and move on with a positive mindset. A very good cards and a good message for you. So good luck. I really hope that you have got some help out of this reading and you are going to use it for your best. Do share your feedback on this video. Share this video with your friends and family on Facebook and other platforms so that they can also take benefit of this timeless reading. If you're looking for appointment, you can connect with me on this mobile number or email ID. Don't forget to check out my other channels, Tarot Guide Shefali in Hindi as well as Spiritual Guide Shefali, which has videos on some spiritual concepts. Don't forget to comment on my videos. Your comments help me to get your feedback. Do suggest me with the topics that you want me to cover for next pick a card reading.